Porsche debut here on stage. The all-new
The new Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid is really a performance car. From 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, that's a true sports car value. It's light, it's agile, it really feels like a compact sports car. With the Panamera, we introduced for the first time two hybrid versions, the Panamera 4e Hybrid and the Turbo SE Hybrid. The overall architecture is quite similar. Both versions use an 8-speed PDK gearbox and the same electric motor. The Turbo SE Hybrid has a V8 twin turbo, whereas the Panamera 4e Hybrid has a 6-cylinder bi-turbo. The car has an all-electric range of 50 kilometers and an electric top speed of 140 kilometers per hour.
The fact to have for the very first time the top of the model range carrying a hybrid technology is a very strong statement. We brought this boost system from our 918 Spider, where basically you can use all the power you have available in the car at once. And this car is a rocket. It's very impressive.
We believe that hybridization is not only about fuel efficiency, but it's really the performance kit of the future.
You can see sustainability and performance, this works together. Making this statement here in Geneva was very important to us, and recognizing that this will also be part not only for a short while but for our strategy in the future.